Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a girl named Amina. She was kind, hardworking, and full of dreams. But Amina had a problem. She stammered whenever she spoke. At school, her classmates laughed at her. Even her teachers pitied her. And her own father would say, "Life is already hard for us, Amina. How will you survive if you can't even speak properly?" These words broke her heart. But deep inside, Amina had a dream. She wanted to become a teacher. She wanted to stand in front of children and share knowledge. Yet every time she tried, her voice failed her. One evening, after hearing some women gossip about her, Amina sat under the stars and cried. She whispered, "Why did God make me like this? Maybe I am useless." Her grandmother came and sat beside her. She held her hand and said gently, "Child, a bird learns to fly not by sitting safely in the nest, but by leaping into the air, even if it falls again and again. If you want to fly, you must face the sky, not hide from it." Those words touched Amina's heart. The next morning, she went to her grandmother and asked, "Tell me, how do I change?" Her grandmother smiled and said, "I will give you 3 challenges. If you complete them, fear will no longer control you." Amina agreed, though her heart trembled. Day 1: Speak to 10 strangers in the market. Her grandmother's first challenge scared her. But she tried. With a shaky voice, she greeted a woman selling vegetables. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? The woman smiled warmly. Wa alaikum salam, child. I'm fine. Amina felt a spark of hope. By evening, she had spoken to 10 people. Day 2: Teach 5 children something new. Her grandmother gave her a book about plants. Amina hesitated. "But I can't speak properly." Her grandmother replied, "They don't expect perfection. Speak with love, and they will listen." Nervously, Amina gathered the children. She held a leaf and said, "Pea plants give us oxygen, so we can breathe." The children clapped with joy. For the first time, Amina realized her voice could teach, even if it wasn't perfect. Day 3: Recite a poem in front of the whole village. Amina was terrified. "Grandmother, they will laugh at me." Her grandmother said firmly, "Courage is not the absence of fear. It is doing what you fear, even while trembling." On Friday, Amina stood before the villagers. Her hands shook, but she began. "Life is like the morning sun. Even after the darkest night, it rises again." Her words stumbled, but she finished the poem. Silence filled the air. Then, one man clapped. Then another. And soon, the whole gathering applauded. Tears filled Amina's eyes. For the first time, people weren't laughing. They were admiring her courage. From that day, Amina practiced every day. Her speech was still imperfect, but her confidence grew. Years later, Amina became a teacher in her village. She told her students, "Don't let fear silence you. Even if your voice shakes, speak. The world needs to hear you." Her father, who once doubted her, looked at her with pride. My daughter, he said, you are stronger than I ever imagined.